Hey drillers, welcome to DIYYolande. Welcome to another fun and easy DIY that aims to show you how to use power tools. In this video, I am creating risers. Here are pictures up here on the screen which are inspo, and I'm going to be using these risers around the house. So this video is in two parts. Part one will be me creating a riser by using power tools, which is Jigsaw, my sander, and my Rotary tool. And then the second part will be me creating a riser without any power tools. I'll only just be using my sander because you'll know your girl, she don't sand with sandpaper, she sands with a sander because ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, so due to my current wood shortage, I'm going to work with scrap wood for these DIYs. It's important for us and also very responsible of us to ensure that we utilize as much wood as we can when you are DIYing. Ensure that no wood goes to waste. Part 1, here is the list of supplies. So I'm using my Stabila measuring tape. What I love about it is that when you're measuring, it's got this push down mechanism which holds your tape down in place, and this is super ideal when you are DIYing by yourself and you don't have extra hands. The rule I normally use when measuring, you measure twice and you drill once. In this case, we measure twice and we cut once. 26 by 9.5 centimeters are the measurements I am using. You can work out your own. Now I'm going to use these Bessie clamps to hold my wood in place, as I will be cutting the wood with my Ryobi jigsaw. So I'm putting on my Johnson workwear gloves because we want to keep these hands nice and soft. I need to get a silicone ring. Hey, can you guys comment down below any businesses, any small businesses you know that sell silicone rings? This dowel is a 16mm by 900. I got these dowels from Build It. You can also get it from your local hardware. Sanding down the edges of the dowels. So if you don't have a rotary tool, what you could then use to sand down or smoothen down edges could be your sander. I will link the rotary tool down in the description box. I got it from Takealot. So now I'm going to use my drill to then drill holes at the bottom of this wood piece so that I can then insert these dowels. Using a spade bit. If you'd like to know more on how to use a drill and the different types of drill bits, check the video that is linked down in the description box and the video linked up here in the card, where I show you how to use a drill. It's an easy beginner's guide to using a drill. Let me go get glue. Gently hammer the dowels into place. Then use your spirit level to ensure that it is leveled, and paint it or put varnish as you'd wish. If you're going to put it by the sink like I am, I would suggest that you use varnish to ensure that water does not seep through your wood. So you have followed the easy process of creating a riser with using power tools, and here is the reveal.
Gotta be right here for you, no matter where you go. Right, gotta be right here for you, no matter where you go. Gotta be right here for you, no matter where you go. Right, gotta be right here for you, no matter where you go.
Here is part 2 of how to create a riser, but I will not be using a power tool, and here's a list of supplies you will need. When you're sanding, guys, that you put in safety goggles and a respirator, because you don't want to breathe in that sawdust, and you also don't want the sawdust to come into your ears, into your eyes. So I'm now going to glue down these pine bunfoot legs that I had gotten from Galma. In the event that you don't have a jigsaw and you still want to create a riser, what you can do is get these babies shade that I got from Galma, and then you can glue them down on your wood piece. This is the glue that I use. You'll know I ride or die for this alkaline glue, baby. If not this one, then I normally use the Galma glue, and I also use the Paytex normal nails glue. Those are my go-to. Those are my 3 go-to glues. I'm going to glue these bun feet onto this wood piece, and then it will create a stunning riser. I will link these bun feet down in the description box below to check them out. So now I'm just measuring how far from the side I want them to be. I am running out of glue. This is so sad. Yeah. Now I'm gluing the bun foot where I marked off. I'm positioning it center so that it doesn't wobble when I put my items on it. So I'm going to leave this to dry. Then we are going to sand it down again to just give it a nice polished, neat sand down. You have followed the easy process of creating a riser without using power tools. And here is the reveal. down below which riser is your favorite. I think my favorite is the one by the sink because I'm just going to use it consistently and it's just gonna be stationed so cute there behind my sink. Which one is your favorite? Comment down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it. Share it with your loved ones. Let's get this channel to many people as possible. You guys need to stop keeping me to yourselves. You'll need to share DIYYolande with your loved ones. Don't forget, power tools have no gender. See you next time. Peace. Here are some bloopers. Out. Why do you ramble?